Today we are going to discuss about digital product sale through Odoo. For this you require e-commerce module as well as digital products module. Now let's see how the digital products can be sold through e-commerce. We will create the product in order to publish in our e-commerce website. For that, let's take sales and then we will click on the products, then create a product. Give your product's name and all other required fields. For time being, I'm just giving my product name Odoo Basics and the product type being as a service and just my sale price. Then hit on the save. As we have installed digital products module, we can see a smart button digital files. On clicking on the digital files, you will be redirected to another form view. Here we have to attach our digital content. Click on the create button and just attach your digital content. Give the name. If it's a file, you can choose the type of your digital content. If it's a file, choose file, or if it's a video, you can choose the URL and choose the URL of your video like this. For the time being, I'm taking the file and uploading my digital content. Now choose your website and click on the save. Now you could see the digital attachment as Odoo Basics. Now let's see whether it's available in the website or not. So click on the website, go to the website and check shop and check whether the product is available. Either you could just search here or you can just scroll. You can see the product we have created is already in our website, but it's unpublished. So it's an unpublished product and this product cannot be viewed by your customer. So make it published. Now let's publish the product through this toggle button. Our customers will be able to see the product right now. Let me sign out from this admin portal and sign in as a normal customer to purchase our digital product. Now I have signed in as a normal user and let me purchase the product that we have added recently. Let me search it over here, Odoo. So it's here, Odoo Basics. You can set the quantity as per your requirement. For the meanwhile, I am using only one quantity. Add it to the cart, and as a normal shopping site, the next procedure is to process the checkout. Now we have got the payment options. So in my option, there is only wire transfer. There can be many other payment options too, like cash on delivery or PayPal or something like that. So meanwhile, I am using wire transfer and just clicking in the pay now option. So unless the payment is processed, the digital content will not be available to the customer. So if you check the my account, you could see the quotation has been created. You can see the quotation based upon the order that we have created right now. Only when the admin confirms this order and make the payment registered, the content will be available to the customer. So let me sign in as the admin and confirms the order. Now I have signed in as the admin, and if you check the orders, unpaid orders, you can see the quotation that has been created right now. Now if you confirm this quotation and create the invoice, and if you register the payment, If the customer has paid and the invoice is in the posted state, this order will be moved into paid orders. You can see it here. Now, again I have signed in as the customer in order to check our sale order. So once you have signed in, go to the My Account Sale Orders and click on the sale order. If you open the sale order, you can see a download button in the sale order. Just click on the download button and enjoy the digital content. That's it. Thank you for watching us. We'll meet with the next video. Bye.